Xiaomi has just launched the Redmi Pad Pro globally, bringing its impressive hardware to international markets at an affordable price. The Redmi Pad Pro features a stunning 12.1-inch IPS display with a 2.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for seamless scrolling and vibrant visuals. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7th Gen 2 chipset, ensuring fast and efficient performance whether you're multitasking, streaming, or gaming. The Redmi Pad Pro is available in two configurations: 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, providing ample space for all your apps and media. Plus, it's equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh battery supporting 33W wired charging to keep you powered up all day. Enjoy immersive audio with quad speakers, making your media experience richer and more dynamic. The tablet comes in three stylish colors: Graphite Grey, Mint Green, and Ocean Blue. The global version of the Redmi Pad Pro retains the premium hardware from the Chinese release, with one notable change. The 8GB RAM and 128GB storage option has been dropped, streamlining the options to the most popular configurations. Priced at €299.90 for the 6GB 128GB model, and €349.90 for the 8GB 256GB model, the Redmi Pad Pro offers incredible value for its features. It's now available for purchase in multiple markets worldwide. Experience the power and elegance of the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro. Visit your local retailer or Xiaomi's official website to get yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more updates on the latest tech releases. Thanks for watching.